Happy morning, my dear student friends. I am Dr. A. Lakshmana, Associate Professor of Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss Engineering Mathematics and third BSc Mathematics semester 6 special paper. So topic is Laplace transforms. Lecture 2, course objectives. Today we have discussed about the problems on Laplace transforms. First one is, these are the problems we have discussed. Problem number 1. We have L of f of t is equal to, already we know it 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. This is the direct formula for the Laplace transform, right? So now coming to the first one, L of 3 into sin h 2t minus 3 into sin 2t. So is equal to, so we can split in this one, 3t into L of sin h 2t minus 3 into L of sin 2t. So we know the formula, L of sin ht means, or hat means a by s square minus a square is the formula. L of sin at means a by s square plus a square. So we are using these two formulas. We can apply this problem. We have to solve this problem. Is equal to, so is equal to 3 times of 2 by s square minus 2 square minus 3 times of 2 by s square plus 2 square. So 3 is common term, 3 into 2, 3 into 2, 6 is common term, 1 by s square minus 4 minus 1 by s square plus 4. So LCM is 6 into LCM is x square plus 4 minus s square minus plus 4 by a plus b a minus b s square whole square minus 16 square minus 4 s square plus 4 is the product is LCM, that is s square plus 4 minus s square minus plus 4 is nothing but s square a plus b a minus b a square b square. It simply is known as 6 by 6 into here 6 4 plus 4 into 8 by s power 4 minus 16. So this is nothing but this is the final value of the first problem. Final value of the first problem. Problem number 2. We have cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 2. So we are using a trigonometric formula. We can apply this one. L of cos square 3t equals to, a means 3t only, 3 only here. So therefore L of 1 plus cos 3 into 2, that is 6t by 2. So constant we are taking like this, 1 by 2. L of 1 plus L of cos 6t. So 1 by 2 into L of 1 means already we studied in the first video. L of 1 of 1 means 1 by s plus s by s square plus 36. 6 square means 36. This is the final value of this first problem. Or we can simplify this one. 1 by 2 into s square plus 36 plus s square by s into s square plus 36 only. So s square 2s square and 36. 2 cancel only. S square plus 18 by s into s square plus 36. The final value of the second problem solution. Second problem solution. Problem number 3. So L of sin cube 2t. So already we are using the formula, trigonometric formula, sin 3a. So I simplify this one. Using the formula sin cube a is equal to 1 by 4 3 sin a minus sin 3a. So this one here in this case a means only 2a. So L of sin cube 2a is equal to 1 by 4 into, so L of 1 by 4 into 3 sin a means 2t minus sin of 3a means 6t, right? So this is the applying this one. Applying a Laplace transform, that is 1 by 4 is common term. So L of 3 sin 2t minus L of sin 6t. The whole value is nothing but 1 by 4. L of sin formula is a 3 by 3 into, so 3 is common term, 2 by s square plus 4 minus 6 by s square plus 6 square. 6 square means 36. So this is nothing but 6 and 6. 6 is common term, 6 by 4. 1 by s square plus 4 minus 1 by s square plus 36. Right? This is nothing but, this is the 2 times, 3 times and 2 times. 3 by 2 into LCM is s square plus 36 minus s square minus 4 by s square plus 4 into s square plus 36 only. So this is cancel only. So nothing but 32. So 3 by 2 into, because of 36 minus 4, 32 by s square plus 4 into s square plus 36 only. So how many times cancel? This is 16 times. 16 3s are 48. The final value is 48 by s square plus 4 into s square plus 36. The answer for the question number 3. Answer for the question number 3. So coming to the problem number 4. Sin 2t cos 3t. So here in this case, 2 sin of, or simply known as sin a plus b. We now apply the formula of sin trigonometric values. Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Sin a minus b is equal to 2 times of sin a cos b only. Because of sin a plus b means sin a plus sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a means sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So cos a sin a cos b cancel only. 2 sin a cos b is there. That means L of sin 2t cos 3t. Applying this formula, half into L of 2 times of sin 2t cos of 3t. Half is common only. That is half is common. 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b means sin a plus b. Like L of sin a plus b means sin 5t plus sin a minus b. 2t minus 3t means minus t. This is equal to half into L of sin 5t. Sin of minus theta means minus sin theta. That is minus of L of sin t. Applying the formula, half into Laplace transform. 5 by s square plus 5 square 25 minus 1 by s square plus 1. S square plus 1. So this is a half into, so LCM is 5 into 5s square plus 1 plus 5 minus s square minus 25 by s square plus 25 into s square plus 1 only. So s square, 5s square minus s square, nothing but, what is the final value? 4s square, 5 minus 25 minus 20 by s square plus 25 into s square plus 1 only. Half is common term. So half is a common term. So we can cancel this one. How many times can 2 times, and this is 10 times. The final answer is 2s square minus 10 by s square plus 25 into s square plus 1 is the final answer for the question number 4. The final question for this question only we have f of t is equal to some model. So first 4 problems is one model and this is the another model is given. F of x is equal like that, function is like the defined only by using a direct. So by using a Laplace transform formula, L of f of t is equal to, what is the formula? Integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t dt. This is the formula only. So this can be written as whenever the function is defined e power t when 0 is less than 1, t lies between 0 and 1, another is t more than 1. So it can be written as 0 to 1 e power minus st into f of t dt plus integral 1 to infinity e power minus st into f of t dt. Right? This is equal to integral 0 to 1 e power minus st is as usual f of t is nothing but e power t dt plus integral 1 to infinity e power minus st into f of t is nothing but 3 only. 3. This is integral 0 to infinity e power minus of t is common term only s minus 1 into t dt is equal to integral 0 to 1, so t is common term e power minus of s minus 1 t dt plus integration is 3 is common term only integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into dt. This integration is e minus of e power s minus 1 t by minus of s minus 1. So what are the limits? 0 to 1 plus 3 times of e power minus st by minus s. What are the limits? 0 to infinity. So we can simplify. So upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0. E power. So upper limit is e power minus of s minus 1 into 1 by minus s minus 1 as usual plus lower limit is e power minus of s minus 1 into 0 by s minus 1 over plus this is 3 times of e power minus infinity by minus s minus plus e power 0 by s only. So this is nothing but e power 1 minus s by 1 minus s plus e power there is 1 by s minus 1 plus this becomes 0, 3 into 0 by minus s plus 1 by s. The final value is e power 1 minus s by 1 minus s plus 1 by s minus 1 plus 3 by s. This is the final value of our problem only. So thank you very much for good listening. Thank you one and all.